Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a clear inspection. Look for kinks, stuck paint, or rust on the blade and note where it binds. Once the case is open, remove the spool with care so the spring stays visible. This prevents losing tension. Use pliers to ease off the hook if needed. Make sure to keep parts organized in order and prepare a clean towel to work on. This reduces contamination and makes reassembly faster, so you avoid surprises later. Now you tackle the messy middle. Straighten small kinks by gently bending them back with pliers, one small pass at a time, because overbending weakens the steel. Once straight, clean the blade with a mild solvent and a light rub of 400-600 grit sandpaper to remove rust and old coatings. Wipe dry. Next, verify the end hook is properly aligned and free to move slightly. If the spring lacks tension, reseat it carefully and test rewind action to confirm smooth extension and retraction. Finish by reinstalling the spool and spring, winding slowly to seat the spring without kinking the blade. Make sure the blade retracts evenly. Once done, extend the tape fully and retract it several times to ensure smooth operation and consistent hook travel. If it still binds or scrapes, open the case again and check for misaligned hook, trapped debris, or a bent flange. One key troubleshooting tip: if you hear metal scraping, stop and inspect immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.